We got the funk. You know that song.
We got the funk.
My feet just got wet.
Oh, dude, it's like water.
You know what, Jensen?
Did she not reply to your message?
No. You know what? I'm calling her.
Be like, dude, what the fuck? Give me his number. Oh my god, my feet are cold. They're all wet.
Okay, can we go?
Okay. Note to self. Do not wear cloth shoes while walking through ice cold water.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll keep a watch over it. We should sleep out here.
Credits.
Samantha Myers and Allie Danziger. Did I say your last name right?
Yeah. Recorder, Allie Danziger. Voice, Allie Danziger and/or Sam.
Was I saying this? I sound like a man on TV.
You do sound like a man. No, I'm kidding. Apparently, I sound like a little girl. My recording message is like, or my answering machine is on my phone is still like from like 5th grade, and it's like, hey, you've reached me in the caps, so call me back, and then I hang up. I know, I really need to record it. So yeah.
Yo, Jensen, where's your number?
She pick up?
No, I wasn't even calling. Send her another message.
Whoa, what is that?
I got a flip phone, as you can see.
Oh, that's a rock, Allie. It's not a bone. Anyways, so while we freeze to death out here.
I hope you enjoy the video on YouTube. Bye.
If I ever get it posted on YouTube.
Yeah, if we
Well,
make
technically, if you're watching it right now, technically it probably is on YouTube.
it. But
So yes.
yeah.
Peace.
Wait.
Peace. Peace, love, and weed.